Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Virgo Ascendant people logically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 6th house in the sign of Aquarius, where 6th house Lord Saturn is already moving in your 6th house. 12th house deal with your losses, your expenses, your hospitalization, your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your donations, ability to do donation is also seen from 12th house. Your sleep pattern, your dream space, and your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 6th house will be your court case, litigation, arguments, your fights, your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from 6th house. Your loans, your debt is also seen from 6th house. So right now, your 12th house Lord is moving in your 6th house, and Sun will stay in your 6th house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. So till 14th March, till Sun is moving in your 6th house, we can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, fights, and hidden enemies related matter, because your hidden enemies is also seen from 6th house. And right now your 6th house is in a strong position. So Saturn will give you strength to withstand your enemies in the month of March, because Saturn is moving in your 6th house, and Sun, your 12th house Lord, your losses and expenses Lord, is also moving in your 6th house. So your enemies will face loss of some kind in the month of March. It will prove a positive situation for you people, especially till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your 6th house to 7th house in the sign of Pisces. So after 14th March, 7th house deal with your spouse, your marriage partner, your business partnership is seen from 7th house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from 7th house. Your fame is along with 10th house also seen from 7th house. Your legal binding agreemented things is also seen from 7th house. So after 14th March, when your 12th house Lord is moving in your 7th house, if you are married, then you need to be take care of your marriage related matter. You may have to face some type of ego battle with your spouse or business partnership if you have any business partnership in your life. Also, we can expect you may face some difficulties because Rahu is moving in your 7th. Try to fulfill your commitments after 14th March, when your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 7th house. Otherwise, you may have to face some kind of ego battle and argument and difference of opinion with your spouse and business partnership, because Rahu is moving in your 7th house, and your Sun, which controls your 12th house of losses, house of expenses, will be also moving in your 7th house. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Virgo Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 1st house and your 10th house. Means Mercury is your ascendant lord. Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury controls your overall aspects of life, your personality, your health, journal health is seen from 1st house, your mental perception, your thinking pattern, your physique, your body, your fundamental nature is also seen from 1st house. 10th house will be your work environment, how far you can go in your career, in your occupation, in your business, also seen from 10th house. How much authority you will have in your life is seen from 10th house. Your bosses, your superiors, and your work environment is also represented by 10th house, and your fame is also seen from 10th house. So right now in the month of March, your 1st house and 10th house Lord is moving in your 6th house, and Mercury will stay in your 6th house till 8 March. So till 8 March, you will get good result regarding your work related matter, because your 1st house, your 10th house Lord is moving in your 6th house. And as we discussed in our previous videos, Second, sixth, and 10th house are always connected to your work related matter and your earnings related matter, which you will earn from your work. Till 8 March, Mercury is moving in your sixth house. So till 8 March, you need to be take care of your health related matter. You may face some type of depression. You may face some type of difficulty regarding your health related matter because Ketu is already moving in your first house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But in the month of March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your sixth house. It will be good position for you people regarding your hidden enemies related matter, but you may also be take care of your health related matter due to presence of your first house lord in your sixth house, because from sixth house we also see your acute diseases. But you don't need to worry a lot because Saturn is also moving in your sixth house. Means right now your sixth house is in a strong position. So Saturn will give you the strength to withstand your disease, your hidden enemies, and etc. etc. matters regarding your sixth house related matter. After 8 March, when Mercury will move from your sixth house to seventh house, then from seventh house Mercury will aspect your first house. Then we can expect good result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality and journal nature related matter. You will feel some type of comfort after 8 months because Ketu is moving in your first house. You may feel some type of discomfort in your life due to presence of Ketu in your first house in transit. But right now, when after 8 March, Mercury will move from your sixth house to seventh house. So from seventh house, Mercury will aspect its own house. So Mercury will stand, then your ascendant. Mercury will provide support to your ascendant. Also, your 10th house lord will be moving in your 7th house. This position will be proved very beneficial for those who are a public figure like politician, businessman, actors, celebrities, like, because Rahu is already moving in your seventh house, and 10th house and seventh house. Both the houses are connected with your fame related matter. So right now, after 8 March, your 10th house Lord will be moving in your seventh house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now, Venus is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Capricorn. Ninth house deal with your father, your teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your DNA, your higher education is seen from ninth house, your postgrad education is also seen from ninth house, your religious knowledge, religious inclination is seen from ninth house, your long distance travel and travel related to religious purpose is also seen from ninth house. Second house deals with the family. Your family lineage is seen from second house. Your family values is seen from second house. How much your family possess wealth is seen from second house. How much wealth do you have in your life is also seen from second house. Your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your speed, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. So right now, second house and ninth house Lord is moving in your fifth house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are is also seen from fifth house, and your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So right now your second house and ninth house Lord is moving in your fifth house till 8 March, because Venus will stay in your fifth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. Right now, your fifth house is in a strong position due to presence of Mars in your fifth house in the sign of Capricorn. Because in Capricorn sign, Mars considered as an exalted position. So Mars give very good result in its exalted position in your chart. So right now your Venus is present in your fifth house, and Venus also have the support of Mars in your fifth house. So we can expect great result regarding your luck related matter, regarding your education related matter, and your children's related matter if you have children right now. Also, we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter. Your mental abilities will perform very well in the month of March. You will also get the gains due to your education related matter, regarding your love relationship and your children's related matter, because from fifth house Venus is expecting in the house of gains, house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes. That's why till 8 March we can expect good results from Venus for all the Virgo ascendant people. After 8 March, when Venus will move from your 5th house to your 6th house, then as we discussed previously in Sun and Mercury section, you will get great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, and hidden enemies related matter, because your ninth house also deal with your fortune related matter. So your fortune will support you, because Saturn and Venus consider friends in astrology, and Venus, your ninth house lord, will be moving in your 6th house after 8 March. Also, Venus controls your second house, and second house lord will be moving in your sixth house. So that's why we can also expect great result regarding your earnings related matter, regarding your work related matter. Also, you will get a support regarding your court case, litigation, argument, fights related matter in your life if you have currently dealing with such matter in your life. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Virgos and people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Virgos and people, Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house in the monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic planets, because these house considered as naturally malefic houses in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses, and moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, difficulties, and issues in our life, and especially issues, problem, difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your 3rd house. And right now Mars is moving in your 5th house in its exalted position in your 5th house in the sign of Capricorn. Eighth house will be the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases seen from eighth house, your major ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house, major transformation is also seen from eighth house, your secret activities also seen from eighth house, your research activities seen from eighth house, your in-laws related matter, and your sexual relationships, sexual activities also seen from eighth house. Third house deal with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, but basically your communication and communication skills is seen from third house, and your hardworking ability is seen from third house. So third house and eighth house lord is moving in your fifth house in its exalted position. So we can expect in the month of March, if you have any love relationship, you will also get the success in your love relationship. You will also get a good response from your opposite partner in the month of March, and you will spend quality time with them. Also, your third house lord is moving in your fifth house, and third house deal with your efforts. So you will put a lot of effort regarding your love relationship, regarding your children's related matter, and your education related matter if you are in education life, because from fifth house we also see your education. Mars will stay in your fifth house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving your sixth house. Lord means sixth house is in a strong position. So after 16th of March, when your eighth house and your third house Lord will be moving in sixth house, one naturally malefic house Lord will be moving in another naturally malefic house after 16th of March. That's why we can expect suddenly things will turn into your favor, and you will get great gains regarding your court case, litigation, hidden enemies, and your confrontation related matter. Your enemies will be suppressed after 16th of March, and you will get a great success in your competition related matter. Your third house lord will be moving in your sixth house, so you will put a lot of effort regarding all of these matters if you're dealing with these matters in your life right now. Also, you will be able to pay your loans back in the month of March, especially after 16th of March if you are in debt right now. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, Sun is right now moving in your sixth house, and Sun will stay in your sixth house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your sixth house, and Mercury will stay in your sixth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your fifth house, and Mars will stay in your fifth house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will move from your fifth house to sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your fifth house, and Venus will stay in your fifth house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in the sign of Aquarius. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Virgo ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.